Alright. So this is the Airbnb we stayed at. It's actually really nice. Take a look at it. Ooh. Ah. Wowie. Ooh. Very cool. 2 rooms. Not too bad. And right next to Disney. So we stayed here, did some Disney time, and now it's time to go get some food. Let's check it out.
After visiting LA for breakfast last episode, we're going to Anaheim. Anaheim is known for Disneyland, but there's a lot more to do beyond just those great theme parks. If you're looking for food, we've got just the place for you to check out. The Anaheim Packing House features 26 different bars and restaurants that can help you find something for even the pickiest eaters in your group. Some of the interesting dishes that we saw included some delicious desserts and the anti-gravity noodles, which looked to be suspended in mid-air. They even had a hot pot restaurant. We decided to eat at the Kroft with a variety of sandwiches and interesting poutines.
So Bobby got the country fried chicken poutines. Poutines? And it's from this place, the Kroft. So go ahead, Bob. Let's see what they gave you here. It looks really good. Try them straight up.
They gave me, let's see, chicken nuggets in here, gravy, fries, getting a little bit of everything here. Oh God.
And the curds. Looks pretty bomb. What do you think?
Oh my God. That's really good.
Nice.
We also got the chicken tikka masala, chicken katsu curry, and the classic braised beef poutines. Not only were each of those delicious, but for $10, you couldn't find a better value within that area. When we left the Anaheim Packing House, we found an amazing bar right up the street that featured craft cocktails and video games. Lag Bar is a video game themed bar with food, cocktails, and free games for people who love to play. The cocktails and food names are all video game related. It's an amazingly fun spot if you want to just wind down from the parks and get a couple of drinks to hang out with not only your friends, but your family. The final place we visited in California was Santa Monica Pier.
So here we are at the Santa Monica Pier, and we're in the arcade. Woo! That's right. We're going around trying some different stuff. Play some pretty cool games. Let's see if we can get some other ones, and then maybe get some food around here, huh?
In Santa Monica, not only did you have the beautiful beach, but you also had amazing little shops, food, and an arcade. The pier also features Pacific Park, an amusement park with a Ferris wheel, a roller coaster, and several other rides. Though we had several choices of places to eat, we decided on PierBurger. It looked pretty delicious on the outset, and we really wanted some milkshakes, and in my case, a root beer float. Overall, the burger was amazing. The fries left a little to be desired, but that was all made up by the deliciousness of not only the burger, but the root beer float. I need to get those more often. It was an amazing trip to California with my friends, and we can't wait to get back here to try more food, drinks, and fun in this great state.
No doubt about it.